Alright, so this is how you cut and what is it called? Criming?
What?
Criming?
What do you mean criming?
What are you doing?
Just separating the cables.
Alright, so he's separating he's gonna wire a LAN cable like this. Like, we literally figured out how to just do this right now. We got this big ass box full of cables. And that thing right here. Got a hammer, some scissors, that cutting thing. And then he's wiring it up. So you unswirl the cables. They come swirled up. Alright, so right now he just chopped off the stick that's in the middle. He's straining out the cables.